This will never cooperate. Why is it so bright? Oh my gosh, there's too many lights. Welcome back, you guys. What on planet Earth am I doing, you ask? Well, in light of this Halloween October season, I am going to transform myself into a brunette. Some of my friends ask me, what would you look like if you were a brunette? What is it like? And I'm like, it doesn't work. But today I'm gonna actually try it. I have this really cool lace front wig. And I didn't really want to get on the bandwagon of like the scary makeup looks because for one, like I'm not really into that too much anymore, and for two, everyone's doing it, so I'm just kind of like, I don't want to be scary. So if you guys want to see what I look like as a brunette, keep on watching. Dude, I swear, this hat is the only thing that like makes me look somewhat normal because this wig is huge. What do you guys think? Am I rocking the brunette life? My brows are kind of messed up. Like I don't feel like my brows look like a true brunette. I'm about to turn this light off because yeah, the brows just like These lashes I feel unworthy to wear because they are literally precious, and obsessed with the lip. I really wish I would have done this look with just my regular hair color eyebrows because this look is bomb. I am basically my sister reincarnate right now, literally, is freaking me out. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun look. I seriously enjoyed it. I had so much fun, and it's really cool to see like how I would look for real, for real. Hope y'all have a great week or weekend. Love you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.